Like the backwards walking march at KlezKanada is a good example of that. I'm not someone who's Shomer Shabbos, but I was teaching a workshop about Yiddish processional theater, and I heard about this example of people walking backwards in in Romania in the 20s to begin Shabbos. They would everyone in the town gather at this body of water and walk backwards so as not to turn their back on the Sabbath bride. They would walk into town. Well, to me, that's a Dada dance. That's a 1920s dance that says, this is the way we do it. Like we can separate ourselves from things that are considered normal. And to me, that shows such creativity, and the idea that you can disconnect from what the dominant culture is telling you to do is the source of all change. So I see in this something so radical and exciting. And other people, it's like, wow, we love Shabbos, and you just enhanced our ritual. So, we did this whole thing where we taught the melody, this niggin that they all sang to everyone in the camp, and like 400 people walked backwards and sang this. And now they do it every year at KlezKanada because they love it so much.